13 of them are from Mangur Hill. I'm giving the breakup because there's a request from all of you that there needs to be a breakup. So 13 are from Mangur Hills. 3 are from Verna, linked to Mangur Hills. There is one case from Dharbandora also, which is linked to again Mangur Hill. Train, there are 3 persons who have been tested positive who came in from Mumbai. There is 1 person from Road, and then there are the contacts of the positive people who have already been identified. So there are 9 such contacts. So the total number is 30. That brings our total number of active cases to 350. We received 2,526 samples over the last 24 hours, and we have tested 2,029.
Hi, good evening. And so far 24,071 people have come in Goa, and 1,13,571 people have left Goa to their destination state. We are planning to send 2 trains tomorrow. They will be covering Bihar, Jharkhand and Bengal, Odisha. Total speeding case booked so far is 9,375, and total cases booked for not wearing of mask is 24,499. That's all.
Okay, could you give us a detailed information if you have anything about that Panjim thing, market?
There seems to be some confusion. I can give you only verified information. Now the verified information is this, that we had 3 cases confirmed from Chimbel, all members of the same family. This is the family of our security guard who used to work, who is an employee of our Urban Health Center, Vasco. He is a resident of Chimbel. He and his family members have been found positive. Now, as a result of this, we have been doing, yesterday also, we took today as well as yesterday, we have taken samples of people from Chimbel. What I understand is that there is some apprehension that certain people near our market of Panjim have come into contact with this family in Chimbel. This is a verified information that I have, if that is what you are referring to.
3013.
Sorry?
3013 today. 30.
Today 30.
And another
13 is Mangur proper, from Mangur proper, 13.
There's another information that another case suspected is found in Kumarjo.
I am not aware of this information about Kumarjo. Sorry.
In fact, her mother used to work in one of the family, and whether they are.
Sorry, so far I don't have any details of this particular case that you are mentioning.
Any other source is traced in Goa, madam, or only Mangur Hill cases are only?
You see, people from Mangur Hill have come into contact with several people. You are aware that our Urban Health Center workers themselves are residents of various other places in Goa. In today's media bulletin, we will be including the breakup, by the way. Breakup of all the active cases, where all, naturally we can't now tell each and every place, but where we have a number of 4, 5, 6 cases, we are going to mention it. You will have it in the breakup of media bulletin. So our Urban Health Centers, workers of Vasco, they themselves are residents of around 6 to 7 different locations within Goa. Then we have the KTC employees. We have the post office, Vasco post office employees. So that is the way we do contact tracing. With contact tracing, just to give you a very brief snippet of how we do contact tracing, we naturally begin with the primary, the person, positive person. We trace the primary contacts of that positive person. Whoever has directly come into contact with that positive person, they become the primary contacts, mostly family members or close associates, colleagues who have interacted on a daily basis. All of these would come under primary contacts. And the people who interacted with the primary contacts become the secondary contacts. This is how we do contact tracing. So when you do contact tracing, naturally you will have people who are from various locations in Goa, and this is exactly what we are seeing now. Our Urban Health Center workers themselves are residents of different parts of Goa. Now we have taken precautions. We have told now, as a matter of sort of a condition, as a rule, that whoever is working in any of our COVID related facilities, or for that matter now in Mangur Hill, the containment zone, all of them will be staying in hotels or other accommodation residencies, etc., which we have requisitioned, and they will have to be there till their duties end. their test is done, their quarantine period, all of this will be maintained strictly, because it is a matter of concern for us also. Firstly, we are of course concerned about the fact that our urban health center Vasco staff got infected, but equally the concern is that from them it has gone to several parts of the state. So we are trying to mitigate that, and we are trying to see that that doesn't happen in future.
You spoke about contact tracing.
Yes.
So what happens if a person who has a message, who has got a message that is found to be positive, and suddenly he disappears, like it has happened in Panjim? Just now the mayor has called up a press conference.
Yes.
So what happens after that? Because it would be difficult for you.
Yes.
For
Now
the-
see, we assume that a person gives us authentic information. As I've shared with you in the past also, they give us a self-declaration form in which we have quoted all the legal provisions and bind them down to give us the true address, the true identity and all of that. Despite this, you are right that there is one case which was found positive. Now, the Panjim link is not ascertained in that particular case. I will tell you why. Because that person has given a very vague address. He has given a very, very vague address, and when we have inquired into it, we have not found the address to be a valid address. Parallelly, because we had activated the police chain and they did the call location, the location of your SIM card, what is that called? Call tracing.
Call tracing.
That has been done. And they have got to know that in Delhi police, there is a record that this person is officially a missing person as per Delhi police records. So we can assume that this person is actually a resident of Delhi. He is a missing person, and if you ask me how he has landed up here in Goa, I too don't have an answer as of now. So the administration and the police since yesterday have been trying to sort and trace back all the links, and that is how we got to know this information. So that is why I said verified information. What we have got as verified information is what I'm in a position to share with you.
No, why I asked is because the mayor himself said that there might be a number of people who might have got come into contact with him.
You see, we don't even know, meaning we don't know who this person is. If someone knows this person, please come forward and inform us, because we are trying to find out this person. The information that we have, as I shared with you, is that he is an officially missing person as per police records. Now, the police records of the entire country are linked with each other as per the National Bureau of Police's records. It's a completely computerized system. So when our SP North's office tried to find out, this is a record that they have got. And they are still, of course, trying to follow those links. So that way it becomes difficult for us to then say anything about that person's authenticity. If anyone knows anything about this person, please come forward and inform us. In fact, it will help us.
So the source of this infection is unclear. Whether
We don't even know who this person is. Only we get the person, can we inquire with the person, where all have you been, where have you travelled from. But this much I can tell you, that it is a link to Delhi. There is a link to Delhi. That suggests, actually we have the self-declaration form. He has said that he has arrived here on a train from Delhi. That is the second link there. So he is naturally established to be a person who has entered into Goa from outside.
When was this, in which lot was this guy tested?
Lot, sorry, I
Was
can't-
it yesterday?
We got his results yesterday, and then since that time, both collector as well as SP have been trying to find
Because
out.
henceforth, with SOP, I don't think any of this sort will happen because the person is right.
That's true. That's true. No, not mandatory. The person can also ask for a test to be done. Either way, yes, the
Yeah.
person. Yeah.
Until the result comes, he is quarantined. No question.
the Vasco
One moment, please. Yes.
I would also like to share with you that from are trying to register our stranded migrant workers again. Who is still residing in Goa through you. They are willing to go back to their home state. We have started registration to their nearest panchayat or municipality office, and there they can fill up the form. We'll take their application, and based on this demand which we will generate, we will schedule the trains. So in through DIP also I have shared this form and this notification. It has been published in newspapers also. So my request is that you also please convey that if someone is willing and who is a student in Goa, they may please also these forms and let us know so that we can their trip back to their home state as has been directed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Thank you.
Yes.
A priest from Vasco has also been tested positive.
Sorry?
A priest from Vasco. one
Okay.
priest from Vasco has been tested
I'm
positive.
personally not aware of it. Probably
I just wanted to
I
find out whether there was a contact. He's from Vasco, so
I can find out for you and let you know tomorrow. Alright.
Madam, this Jimbel case of
Yes.
this family,
Yes.
I'm just putting up a
Yes.
possibility. Appears to be a very worrisome situation because the manner in which habitation in Chimbel is, transmission is highly possible. Any thinking on the part of the administration to in advance declare it a containment zone, because it's quite easy to do it in Chimbel.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what we did is yesterday we took around 9 samples of the close contacts of this person,
Yeah.
and that's how out of those 9 we got these 3 positive. Today further we have taken around 52 samples from Chimbel. We'll wait to analyze this. We'll get to know later tonight or early by tomorrow. According to that, we'll take a call. Your concern is well appreciated. Yes, Chimbel is also a tightly packed place, so we do have that concern. We have gone ahead and taken 52 samples with this house as the focal point.
Coming to his question also, there are also same type of areas in Old Goa side,
Mm.
like PD, Karambol. So if you could think also on the type.
What we are doing right now is wherever we are getting a positive case, naturally we are doing the enquiry there and testing. Furthermore, there are several requests coming from panchayats. Wherever the requests are coming, panchayats, municipalities, from Vasco municipality we have a request that their staff should be tested. Wherever we are getting requests, we are naturally looking into that. Over and above this, as you pointed out, not everywhere, meaning
Yeah.
Old Goa so far is definitely not a concern for us.
Just 3-4 kilometers away from Old
Yes,
Goa.
but whichever places are close to a place where a cluster, like for instance, when we had the Mangur Hill instance, immediately we did our survey with the help of local administration and health professionals. We did the survey in Moti Dongor, we did a survey in Shanti Nagar, we did a survey in Aquem. So we are doing that and we will keep doing this. In fact, this is one of our focal areas that we want to try and see those locations where there is a possibility of a case happening and a spread happening subsequently. We are focusing on that.
Just for my clarity, this Chimbel case, the 70-year-old man was first tested.
I wouldn't be very sure about his age, but yes, he's still serving as security guard.
Okay, he's
Yes,
the one. He
yes,
was-
yes. And this is he and his family in Chimbel. They are residents of Chimbel.
About those 90 odd people whose samples were collected
Talegaon.
yesterday
From Santissimo Vado, the good news is that they are all negative. But today again at Talegaon Community Panchayat Hall, we did have the community hall, we did have further swabs taken. So some more people were interested in getting the test done. We have not said no, we have taken samples.
Madam, has the source of that man's infection been
Which man?
the Talegaon case?
The Santissimo Vado case.
Yeah.
Right. That person was, what we know, the facts are that person was under treatment in GMC. But naturally he was tested first in Trunat. He came negative few days back. He has been in GMC for some days now. Then when his repeat test was done, he has turned positive. Now we wanted to try and find out what is the source, and that is why we went ahead and about 90 odd
90,
samples
yeah.
as has
So
been
it's
mentioned.
obviously not the body, not his
Looks like
neighborhood.
that,
Yeah.
looks like that. We are still trying to find out. The inquiry is on. Our team is still on the job.
Sir, 1 minute. It's compulsory to wear the mask for the rider while in the rainy season.
The MHA guideline says mask wearing is compulsory in public places.
No, but your
Mask
officers
for
are
this cover.
giving challans while
Riding bike.
riding the bike, sir.
While riding?
Yeah.
They are
If the
riding.
person is
during-
not
during
wearing,
raining time.
not wearing the mask while driving,
Once you are on road, it is public place.
Yes.
For people wearing specs, it's a problem because it steams. It steams when you're driving. You know, I can't wear a mask while driving.
Deliberately kept very small. It is for the benefit of all of us.
No, I just
I
can't
am
see.
scared. Believe me, I am scared. I wear this one, my mask continuously, and